Quick mention about what we just done here in eliminating a possible error. This wouldn't be a major problem in our Python program as such if we didn't receive any data, but where it would be a problem is what we're about to do now, where we're going to send this data onto our cloud database, which is Firebase. And if we weren't sending the data correctly or sending incorrect data, we could certainly experience problems in the future. So, time to go to our cloud database here, and what we do is we type in a Firebase there. So Firebase comes up in our list of Google searches. Click on Firebase and it brings us to the Firebase website. Now I've already been signed in here. You can see it's picked up my Google details. You may have to click on your Google One Touch button to get in, or having a quick look here at some possible scenarios of what could happen. So when you type in Firebase, you may need to click get started or something like that, and you may then need to create a project. So that's up to yourself there. I'm going to click get started, and then instead of creating a project, we're going to go add a project here, and what we're going to call it is temp readings, and today's date is the 23rd, I think, of the second 22. Okay, so just click continue again, select an account. The only one it'll allow you is default account for Firebase. Click create project, and it's going to create my project. Join me in a minute when it's created.